history in the Martin County School District, both winning first place at the Florida State Science and Engineering Fair in their respective categories just last month.
And now they're hoping to encourage others to participate in the event next year and highlight the importance of females in science, technology, engineering, and math. Of course, STEM.
That's right, and they are both joining us this morning to tell us about their big achievements. We have Nira Goyal, who goes to Martin County High School, and Nira Goyal, who goes to Oaks Middle School. Thank you both for being here.
So first off, we want to hear about your projects, your winning projects. Nira, let's start with you. Tell us about what was your big winner.
My project was on controlling the growth of a plant pathogen called Macrophyllina phaseolina that can affect over 300 different plant species. So what I did was I tested the effect of an agricultural technique called ASD, which alters soil conditions, and I did that at different growing temperatures to see what combination would be most effective in controlling its growth.
Wow.
I'm impressed just hearing about it. No, I don't even need to see it.
Sounds fantastic.
And Nina, how about yours?
My project was on RNA interference modification, so it was a weed management strategy. So I used double-stranded RNA on targeting the PDS and EPSPS genes on purple nutsedge to see how that would affect the growth.
And what grade are you in?
I'm in 8th grade.
8th grade.
How long did you work on these projects?
It was a couple months because I had to do a qPCR process which quantifies the amount of DNA, and that takes a long time to learn and then conduct on my own samples.
I bet it does. Nina, what was it like to have this moment winning first place at the same time as your sister?
It was really exciting and surprising, definitely, because it's not very normal to do that. So definitely really exciting. Yeah.
That's really incredible. And we're seeing some of the photos here of you guys winning. Nira, you know, your hope, of course, here is to maybe spread the word, get more young girls involved. Why is that important?
It's definitely important because there are multiple barriers that women face that men unfortunately don't face in the STEM world that shouldn't be there. There should be equal opportunity for both women and men in STEM. And I think it's really important to promote the sciences to women and let them know that there are other women participating in the field and that it is possible to make a difference.
Wow.
This is also very exciting, Nira. You were selected by the county, the only one in the Martin County School District, to participate in the International Science and Engineering Fair. Tell us about that.
I'm incredibly excited. I'm very fortunate to be able to go again. I was able to go last year when it was in Dallas for the International Science and Engineering, last year is in Atlanta. This year it's in Dallas for the International Science and Engineering Fair. And I'm incredibly excited. Last year they had a Women in STEM seminar that I'm hoping to attend again. And I'm so excited to be able to meet other like-minded students from all around the globe. And I'm leaving tomorrow, so that's also very exciting.
Wow,
that's awesome.
Well, this is incredible. Thank you, girls, so much for joining us. It's really been incredible getting here to a chance to know you and learn about what you're doing for young women in STEM. Thank you so much.
And good luck in Dallas.
Thank you. Thank you for having us.